Last morning, I was saying, watching what Quab and Rasso said, I could even some twice where the amount and something on a toss. There's a fatality and you have one on the bar. Now, my mount showed it into mammy on the 1st of June. Trotu baby mammy. That's it. I can bear the tema so bad and can hit a film refugees in a issue aviation social center and not a home. Now, tema fui, when you he. Adom FM Adom TV and Asempa FM ye ken Thomas Yeni ja obane to son konkron ye ba tema e tia vana tema community 9 ye the UEFA Champions League final na broad den ti mayenhia wo tia vana ye Dortmund na Real Madrid na Champions League na betima ye Dortmund afi na Real Madrid edge the 15th Champions League trophy almost over twice as much as Nipa na waje ben no AC Milan na 7 and no Real Madrid no dey near 15. Chairman, at the end of the day. It's one year now. Now Dortmund signed another Champions League after 1997. Like I said, no, they brought live commentary. I could be benefitia no pana. Could say commentary no. Ebe chance here until you knew whom film fan Jim na the depa yes empire na eja. Sergio Manucho Bernard Paddy Butray me producer schedule and Kasani Eric Casiedu Bwedi now. Ebe chance here the English Premiership and matches also. Na sane aneka kono United pushes so betting boy European football next season. Chelsea back-to-back wins. For the first time this season in time Madrid aba 4th win in a row and also push next season be papa the other say boy Europa na Conference League Champions League out there. So and United winning last game of the season will fee 2 games more ball Brighton Nafi Omakwakobo last game in the FA Cup final against Manchester City. Now after the game, Merrick Tahak Kasabi everybody. And you can watch highlights of the Chelsea and the Manchester United games now. Chelsea and so a game of the Kokori and Chelsea to me I had 3 maximum points. But after the United game, Merrick Tahak, or a manager the Manchester United, what the fans now say for their support this season on my bread so my brepa but my support you no edanchen or promise you say FA Cup final on Man City bono or G trophy in their mom. Old Trafford. And the last game of Kosibrunia Mania Fair. Very beautiful. When the fans na kasa omo kasa woti. Kwa Sports Stadium kasa wonte. Kakra Sports Stadium near the microphone and my coach on kasa jamai. Yente speaker no. Fan had yin na blue. And chan had yin one eba. Nti has phone triple no makasa biko mokasa yente New Legon Stadium le de ho de o ni e ma emu da ho mo bonyo kora tim se jigum beti tim Jakar Sports Stadium em se kasa kire fans de o mfanya ti ya so makasa moti amate anti afan ti omo VIP ho ne media ho for no media for grant VIP for na take aka mo opposite the VIP there mo forget out na monte boy. Now, for a record 15th time, Juventus achieved the Coppa Italia. Yes, and Vlahovic bought the only goal. Juve to me a win over Atalanta in the Coppa Italia final in Italy. Right, so Coppa Italia for the 15th time. It's Italy. Why the Juventus achieved one bread trophy in Mazese. Trophies ne ho akwatwe pa de amon ba Copa Italia de untumi omokwara yankopie mu or the wafu zone B and a 17 boys tournament and the Black Starlets of Ghana Chassis and Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire and winning 5-1 over Cote d'Ivoire. Interesting now the Legon Stadium. The Black Starlets of Ghana to me Chassis now you like Kingston na yankwere like Kingston somebody to draft after the game.
Throughout this preparation every team that we've played we've dominated play. Our last tournament in Russia we lost against Russia. First 15 minutes, we were down 3-0, but we dominated play against, Serbia. We dominated play against Kazakhstan. We dominated play against our friendly game against Niger. We dominated play as well. Today's game, different opponent. Like I said, thumbs up to the Ivorians. They are a very good side. We wanted, and of course, most of my boys, first time playing such competition, home soil. I felt they were a little bit jittery. So with that, we have to manage and then try to take something out and then try and do our best. Sometimes we try to play 1, 2, 3 passes, but for me, as a technical person, I'm not satisfied with the way we play. We did not dominate play today. We just got the results, But hey, the up and coming games, this is our style, and you will see it in the way we play.
Right, like Kenson, and I wouldn't say to you are coach of the Black Stars. So man, 5-1 there, but quite Ghana fast ball and any Shada and Yehon. The National Ghana's next game will be against Benin. The challenge was half a man, and now they be PBA on some bro. We are ever samba near the Akaba and you rest the Akaso woman. I say, I 3-1. Now, what was any see it? I said, Giovanni Bernard Paddy Butcher, me producers. Yana wakaide nankasa ka kijwa na wereka si edubwadi afema kwata maklo die apomoni won samba twaso yewia na de akaso aba koswa na hebedwom